Hi everyone, welcome back. We're back out with the DJI NEO, and today we want to tell you a little bit about voice control. I'm not a big fan of the voice control, and the last couple of days I've been trying it out, and apparently when you have voice control while it's flying and filming, it will actually record your narration with the footage. Now, I know the couple of times that I have been out with this, it was like a hit and miss. Sometimes it would record and sometimes it wouldn't record. So I think DJI needs to do another firmware to get that working. But like I said, I'm not a big fan of voice control anyway. I'd sooner operate the drone on my own. I don't mind these little quick shot modes. But anyways, we're going to go through the motions here of how to set it up and how it works, and let's see if I actually can get it to record onto the footage today, which I haven't been very successful the last couple of days. So we're going to be using the NEO, we're going to be using the DJI Mic 2, and we're going to be using our phone, and hopefully I can show you how this is working. Okay, so let's put down the drone, and first off, let's turn on the microphone. Okay, we have the DJI mic on. Now, first thing we're going to do is we're going to pair the mic with our phone. So let's open up the phone. Okay, so I have paired it with my phone before, and as you can see here, the DJI Mic 2 is now connected. So let's get out of there. Let's open up the Fly app. Let's turn on the drone. Okay, so first off, we have connection guide. So we'll click on that, and we have the NEO. Okay, connect to the mobile device. Okay, NEO. Okay, join. Okay, she's connected. Okay, I'm gonna skip this, but it does have a narration there. Okay, so when the app opens up like this, on the right hand side you'll see the microphone, and also there's a little icon. There's a little icon that's right here, and if you press that, you can give it a command to do a circle, do a droney, whatever. Now, to start your command, you have to do hey fly, circle. Hey, fly, droney.
Droney.
So you see, there.
Take off. Aim camera at subject first.
Okay, so it said it was unable to take off, so we're not sure why. Maybe it's not level. Okay, let's try this. Okay, hey, fly.
Here.
Circle.
Circle.
3,
2,
1.
Unable to take off. Aim camera at subject first.
Oh, okay. So that's something to remember when you're doing the voice commands and you want it to do a droney, do a circle. The camera should be facing you. Okay. So, hey, fly. Circle.
Go ahead. Circle. 3, 2, 1.
Okay, it's backing up. Okay, hopefully we have enough space here. Now, I'm talking right now because the problem I had is when you do voice control, it should be recording your voice onto the footage. After I get through this and show you the settings, we're gonna check and see if it actually recorded anything. Okay, so there she is. Okay, hey fly, droning. Okay, there she goes. She's doing a droning. Yeah, she's doing a droning, so let's see if it's recording everything I'm saying. I know the other day it was like a hit and miss, whether it would do it or not. Okay, hey fly, follow. Okay, so we're gonna walk and it's gonna follow us. Okay, we're still talking. We're still talking while the Neo is following me. I'm continuing to talk to just see if all my talking is gonna go on the footage. The other day, it just wouldn't happen. So, let's go, come on. Come on, follow, come on, come on. I hope it's recording. Come on, follow. Come on, come on, Neil. Come on, Neil. Okay. Okay, so there's Neil. Okay, we're gonna stop that. And we're just gonna park Neo over here. Okay, we'll bring it up a bit. Okay, now when I first started doing that voice control there, when you first start there, you have to press this little icon here and then speak to it. But what I've done is I've gone into the settings, and in the settings, okay, they have a list here: follow, droning, circle, rocket, spotlight, and custom. The custom, if you open up the custom, for instance, you can do a directional track, and you can do it close, you can do it medium, you can do it far, you can change the height, low, full, and high. Okay, we're just gonna leave that like that. Let's go back through the settings. Now down here, as you can see, they have camera settings. So in the camera settings, I have it at 4K 30. Down here you see 30, so you can go across. You can do 1080, and you can do 30, 50, and 60 frames per second. Color profile normal, and also you can have H.264 or H.265, which I have it set in. You can change the ratio here. It only comes in JPEG. 4:3 ratio or 16:9, and for photographs it's only 12 megapixel. Okay, now up here for the microphone, let's go back into, okay, more settings. Okay, more settings, control. Okay, voice control. Okay, under voice control, I have voice wake up on. I don't think it's a good idea maybe to leave it on unless you know you're going to be doing voice control all the time you're out. Because like I said, when you have voice wake up, if you turn it on and you plan on doing something else and you accidentally say, hey, fly, it's going to wait for a command. So I'm going to turn that off for now. Hey, fly, circle. Okay, we're gonna turn that off. And to wake it up, you're just gonna say, hey, fly, if you have wake up on. Down below, it has the common commands. You have follow, droney, circle, rocket, spotlight, close follow, 4 meter droney, 2 meter circle, 6 meter rocket. Now, one thing I don't see listed in here is boomerang, and I actually did do a boomerang with the voice control. So let's go back out here. Okay, back out here. So in the right-hand corner is where you're going to be able to change your camera settings and some other settings. And this custom here, I guess, like I said, I done a boomerang. Okay, so boomerang is in there, and direction track is in there, helix is in there. Yeah, and there's the direction track. So helix, boomerang, and direction track. Okay, let's try a direction track, and we're gonna do medium and follow height, flat. Okay, flat is probably, I don't know, probably not very high. Okay, and it has video. So let's go back out here. Let's go back out here. Oh no, let's go back in there. Okay, so we're gonna click on that button. Direction track. Direction track.
I didn't hear you clearly. Please repeat your command.
Yeah, it doesn't understand me, but that sometimes happens with my wife too, and that's probably why I don't want to use voice control. Let's try it again. Direction track. It says follow far. Okay, we're gonna stop that. So that's why I said I think that DJI still has to do a firmware on the direction or on the voice control, because it's just, I don't think it's 100%. It's kind of cool, but it's definitely not 100%. Okay, one thing also with using the app and using your phone is you don't have a return to home. So if something happens, it's, look at this. So if something happens there, you may lose your drone. So I would suggest voice commands or the auto command there. Keep the drone close in case it decides to just land on its own. Now let's go into album. Okay, we have 5 little videos that we just done. Let's check and see if they actually recorded the voice. So I'm going to tap on that. Okay, that was very short. Yeah, so that one is no good. Okay, let's go back. Let's go to the second one. Let's see if it recorded anything.
So we're gonna walk and that's gonna follow us.
Okay, well, it looks like today it's making a liar out of me because it's recording the voice. But the other day, it was a hit and miss for me.
Well, the NEO is following me. I'm continuing to talk to just see if all my talking is going to go on the footage.
Okay, so the talking actually went on to the footage. Let's try the next one. Okay, let's try the next one.
So let's see if it's recording everything I'm saying.
Oh,
I know the other day
I can't believe this. It's actually recorded. Okay, but it's like it only done a short recording. I don't think it recorded absolutely everything I was saying.
Okay, there she goes. She's doing the drawing.
Okay, let's do the last one. Well, so far it actually recorded today. I know the other day I played with it quite a bit, and I had some video that had some talking in it and some that didn't have the talking in it. So yeah, it should be doing what it's actually doing today.
We're gonna check and see if it actually,
Anyways, guys, I still think that DJI still needs to do some work on that voice control. It's kind of fun playing with it, but I'm not a voice control guy. I'd sooner have the sticks or be able to control the drone. Anyways, I appreciate you guys watching, and any thoughts on voice control, let me know in the comments. Okay guys, we'll catch you in the next one with the DJI NEO.